Hello viewers, I am Barry. Today we discuss about NPTEL online certification courses for engineering. These online certification courses has been today now open for enrollment for the semester of January to April semester courses. In these for enrollment it will be completely free. For examination you have to pay 1000 rupees. In this video we completely discuss about the enrollment dates and the examination dates, when will be end, then on courses starting date and end date, detailed discuss about in this video. Before going to the video, still if not subscribed to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for the latest update, then only get our update regularly. Then first we will discuss about timeline and guidelines of this to all the candidates. For these timelines and guidelines are given for course duration. The course 4-week courses and 8-week courses, 12-week courses. The 4-week and 8-week courses, it has two sets, set 1, set 2. The enrollment starts for 4-week and 8-week and 12 weeks. Enrollment November 9th, then ends at January 25th. The course starts on January 18th and ends on February 12th. The examination date March 21. The examination registration open January 7th. The last date to register February 8th, extended date February 12th, and date of cancellation February 12th. For second set, the enrollment starts on November 9th and ends on February 15th. The course starts on February 15th and ends on March 12th. Then examination date April 24 and 25. Examination registration starts on January 7th and ends on March 8th. Extended date March 12th. The last date for exam cancellation March 12th. For here, within the last date, you have to pay only 1000 rupees. For the extended date, you have to pay additionally 500, totally 1500. While registering the courses, you give your proper data. If you want to change any data, means you have to cancel. You can produce a proper proof based on the pay. In case you have to change the SC/ST category proof, means you submit the SC/ST proof. If you want to change the disability, means you have to provide the disability proof. Other things you can't change anything. Then examination hall ticket for March 21, the examination hall ticket will be issue on March 10, and certificates results will be April 15th. Then April 24th and 25th exam hall ticket April 15th will be issued. Then examination results May 15th will be published and certificate also. Then examination fee normally 1000 rupees, for extended time 1500. For SC/ST fee 50% 500. It will be extended 1000 rupees. For SC/ST with physically challenged PWD candidates 250 exam fee, extended fee 750. The certification courses not only for students, it will have the faculty also. They have conducted the FDP certificates along with these courses. Generally 1000 rupees for FDP courses plus 10 will provide the certificates for FDP certificates for faculty. For SC/ST 500 plus 100, so you have to pay the 600. For extended period 500, 1000, 1100. Then for SC/ST with PWD means 250 plus 100, 350. Extended period 750 plus 10, 850 you have to pay for the SC/ST with PW. General instructions. These NPTEL courses conducted by IIT in 7 IITs institutions. Then online certification courses will enter through the web portal only. You have to conduct 4-week and 8-week and 12 weeks. It will set 1 and set 2 available for 4, 8 week. Enroll is fully free. You can enroll through the website of nptel.aac.in. Exam is conducted in 3 days. Both 3 days will conducted in 4 and afternoon sessions. The course list is given in the description. The link is attached in the description. You can write the maximum 6 exams. Per day 2 exams. You can write totally 6 exams. There is a shift basis 9 to 12 and 2 to 5. Enroll all the exams in single mail ID. If you used in some other multiple mail ID means the examination center will be Mary, so you can use single mail ID. Eligibility candidate can register here UG and PG except first year. Once you register, can't refund the exam fees. Then while uploading, you can upload your correct photo. Then for SC/ST and PW candidates, you can upload your certificates, community certificates. Then PW means you can upload your disability certificates. Once you register, you can't be refunded. The hall ticket or admit card will be published through the online only. You can't send your post or anything. You can download from their website. During the examination, you can't bring the mobile phone and physical calculators, etc. Once you miss the examination, then no supplementary exam will be conducted. Then final decision will be conducted through the NPTEL coordinator will be decision. For all the applicant, the development of these courses will be sent through your mail ID, and you can check the website regularly. The examination conduct as per the government guidelines. The next enrollment open now. You click here about the courses. All the courses starting date, end date for the 4 weeks, 8 weeks, 12 weeks and 4 weeks and 8 weeks set to we discussed already. The examination dates has been now open for enrollment. Then the examination registration not yet open. Then for the all the courses details is being given here. The course ID, discipline, course name, then professor handling faculty name, then institution, then duration, co-coordinator institute, then type of courses, starting date, course starting date and course ending date, then examination date, enrollment date, then enrollment end date, then URL ID. Everything available in here is not only for the respective discipline, it's for all the discipline in engineering. There are n number of courses you can register and gain your knowledge. Here are all the courses available. Your URL ID, the old ID also available and new URL also available here. For these courses, first you enroll your mail ID in the website swayam.govern.in/NPTEL. From these courses you can first register and choose your courses. This SWAYAM NPTEL is only for engineering online courses. In same website, SWAYAM is available for medicine, schools and 9th and 12th standard have n number of online certification courses available here. Through these online certification courses you can learn the recent trends and n number of things you can learn in this online certification courses. If you have any doubt in this video, text in comment box. If you have need any other video based on online certification courses or government jobs oriented, text in comment box. Once again I will meet you in another video. Thank you.